Hello, and thank you so much for joining us today. This is Ellen Kamai, and I'm the natural nurse. So happy that you're here. And we just want to talk about our class called Career Paths in Natural Health. Many people call me all the time who would like to do their work, but do it within the realms of holistic. And no matter where you are right now, you can do that. For instance, let's say you're a graphic designer having nothing to do with holistic anything. Well, you could get a job in the natural products industry. You still would be using your graphic design qualities, but you could be doing it with beautiful plants all day for an herbal industry. And then the conversation around you set up about natural wellness. So you would find it really perhaps more interesting in terms of the use of your time. So anyone can do it. People have come to me and I've looked at their resume, I've looked at their education. I'm thinking of one woman who is a very successful real estate agent, but personally had gotten very involved in using herbs and supplements and healthy eating and exercise for her own self. And she wanted to share that. But she didn't want to go back to school to become a naturopathic physician, which takes many years, or a nurse, for instance. So when I looked back at her curriculum vitae, I found out she had taken an esthetist course when she was much younger, and she actually had an esthetist license. So we talked about just her renewing her esthetist license, and we found out in her state that was just a matter of paying some fees, in which she got her esthetist license back, and she actually opened a studio and was very successful doing only organic esthetist work, which is skincare and aromatherapy with essential oils. So you see, this door is open to you. Now, if you are a healthcare professional, then you really can get involved. For instance, I have many people that I consult with who are nurses, massage therapists, registered dietitians, chiropractors, and really want to focus much more, let's say, on being herbalists. Well, then they could take a class with me called the Natural Nurse Herbal Certification Course, or they can go to other schools that really feature holistic education. So what you need to do is decide, what is my ultimate goal? How much time do I have to complete my goal? How much money do I have to spend on creating this goal? Is this going to be my full career, or is it going to be in addition to my career? How much education have I already completed that would be useful? Do I need a degree, or is it a certificate? What is my expected return on investment? And how much of this is due for what you want for personal satisfaction? Or would you like the information just for self-care for myself and my family? That's also an appropriate reason to learn. And what holistic professional organizations might be involved. So in our class, we go through all of this, and in our private sessions, then we delve much more deeply into what you would need to do to be a holistic health professional. So join us for our class, Career Paths in Natural Health, and I hope that you and your family stay healthy.